Icebolethu is more than just funeral cover, more than the collection of products and services offered. We are a lifestyle brand. So what is lifestyle? It is a way of living, everyday moments that piece together to create a life, an expression of our very being and God-given desires, a collection of everyday decisions of how we choose to spend our time. It is the fire in our belly that makes us work harder in pursuit of the life we desire. It is in how we dress, expressing ourselves without saying a word, impacting our food choices, from burgers to pizzas, meat lovers, vegans and vegetarians. It comes alive in the entertainment we choose, in the sports we support. Laduma! Lifestyles shape our preferred careers, how we choose to grow and evolve to express ourselves through work. In essence, lifestyle is how we live, work and play. At Icebolethu, we provide more than just insurance. We are in our clients' everyday moments, adding value in all seasons. From back-to-school shopping, everyday groceries, clothing at leading retailers, travel, studies and entertainment, we are here making exciting lifestyles accessible. We do this because we understand that it's not just groceries. It's a warm meal that brings a family around the table to create memories. It's not just the essentials. It's wrapping your baby with love. It's more than just clothes. It's the perfect outfit for the job interview, that first date, or that everyday feel-good trip. It's not just entertainment. It is quality time spent connecting with your family and friends, building lifetime bonds. There are so many ways to express who we are through the lifestyle we choose, but only one brand that you should partner up with. Icebolethu. We do life with you.